Namaste, myself JVN Dr. K.K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Subject Pedagogy of Biology, and today we will discuss about our next topic, that is the team teaching. The team teaching involve a group of instructors working purposefully, regularly and cooperatively to help a group of students of any age learn. Teachers together set goals for a course, design a syllabus, prepare individual lesson plans, teach students and evaluate the results. They share insight, argue with one another, and perhaps even challenge students to decide which approach is better. Team can be a single discipline, interdisciplinary, or school within a school team that meet with a common set of students over an extended period of time. New teacher may be paired with veteran teacher. Innovations are encouraged and modification in class size, location and time are permitted. Different personalities, voice, values and approaches spark interest, keep attention and prevent boredom. The team teaching approach allows for more interaction between teacher and the students. Faculty evaluate students on their achievement of the learning goals. Students evaluate faculty member on their teaching proficiency. Emphasis is on student and faculty growth, balancing initiative and shared responsibility, specialization and broadening horizons, the clear and interesting presentation of content and student development, democratic participation and common expectations, and cognitive, affective and behavioral outcome. This combination of analysis, synthesis, critical thinking and practical applications can be done on all levels of education from kindergarten through graduate schools. Working as a team, teacher model respect for differences, interdependence and conflict resolution skills. Team members together set a course goal and content, select common materials such as text and films, and develop test and final examination for all students. They set the sequence of topic and supplemental material. They also give their own interpretation of the material and use their own teaching style. The greater the agreement on common objectives and interest, the more likely that teaching will be interdependent and coordinated. Teaching period can be scheduled side by side or consecutively. For example, teacher of two similar class may team up during the same or adjacent period so that each teacher may focus on that phase of the course that he or she can best handle. Students can sometimes meet all together, sometime in small groups supervised by individual teachers or teaching assistants, or they can work singly or together on project in the library, laboratory or field work. Teachers can be at different sites linked by video conferencing, satellite or the internet. Breaking out of the taken for granted single subject, single course, single teacher pattern encourage other innovations and experiments. Remedial program and honor sections provide other attractive opportunity to make available appropriate and effective curricula for students with special need of interest. They can address different study skills and learning techniques. Team teaching can also offset the danger of imposing ideas, values, and mindset of minorities or less powerful ethnic groups. Teachers of different background can culturally enrich one another and the students. Then what are the advantages of the team teaching? Students do not all learn at the same rate. Period of equal length are not appropriate for all learning situations. Educators are no longer dealing primarily with top-down transmission of the tried and true by the mature and experienced teacher to the young, immature, and inexperienced student in a single subject classroom. Schools are moving toward the inclusion of another whole dimension of learning, the lateral transmission of every sentient member of the society of what has been discovered, invented, created, manufactured, or marketed. For this team member with different area of expertise are invaluable. Of course, team teaching is not the only answer to all problems. Plugging teachers, students, and administrators, it requires planning, skilled management, willingness to risk change, and even failure, humility, open-mindedness, imagination, and creativity, but the results are worth it. Teamwork improves the quality of teaching as various experts approach the same topic from the different angles, theory and practices, past and present, different gender or ethnic background. The evaluation done by the team of teachers will be more insightful and balanced than the introspection and self-evaluation of individual teacher. Working in teams spread responsibility, encourage creativity, deepen friendship, and build community among the teachers. Students enter into conversation between them as they debate, disagree with premises or conclusion, raise new questions, and point out consequences. Contrasting viewpoint encourage more active class participation and independent thinking from students, especially if there is team balance for gender, race, culture, and the age. The team cuts teaching burden and boost morale. The presence of another teacher reduces student teacher personality problems. In an emergency, one team member can attend to the problem while the class goes on. Sharing in decision making bolsters self confidence as teachers see the quality of teaching and learning improve, their self esteem and happiness grow. This aid in recruiting and keeping faculty. Then what are the disadvantages of team teaching? Team teaching is not always successful. Some teachers are rigid personality type or may be wedded to a single method. Some simply dislike the other teacher on the team. Some do not want to risk humiliation and discouragement at possible failure. Some fear they will be expected to do more work for the same salary. Others are unwilling to share the spotlight या their pet idea या to lose total control. Team teaching make more demand on time and energy. Member must arrange mutually agreeable time for planning and evaluation. Discussion can be draining and group decision take longer. Opposition may also come from students, parents, administrators who may resist changes of any sort. Some students flourish in a highly structured environment that favor repetition. Some are confused by conflicting opinion. Too much variety may hinder habit formation. All things being considered, team teaching so enhances the quality of learning that it is sure to spread widely in the future. This is all about the team teaching. This session is powered by Digital version 2 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, then please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you very much.